Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious chocolate truffles at home. Let's get started with 100 grams of milk chocolate and 100 grams of dark chocolate and chop them into fine pieces. I'm using Valrona's 66% dark chocolate and 40% milk chocolate, which are my go-to chocolates. You can use any type of chocolate you want to make these. Chocolate bars or chocolate chips work great for these too. Just make sure that you're using a mix of milk chocolate and dark chocolate. I've tried making these with just milk chocolate and the results were less than stellar. If you use small chocolate chips, you can skip the chopping step. Now we just need to add our chocolate to a bowl and pour 100 grams of hot heavy cream over top to melt the chocolate. Once you have that incorporated, add 2 teaspoons of kosher salt and 1 tablespoon of orange zest. The orange zest has all the essential oils in it and it keeps a nice mellow flavor to the chocolate. My wife loves the orange egg at Christmas time and these remind her of those. I refrigerated my chocolate for 2 hours so the chocolate had a chance to set up and make it easy to scoop into 16 balls. They don't have to be exactly the same. If you want to make them bigger, you can make them bigger. If you want to make them smaller, you can make them smaller. But I just like doing 16 for this. Now working with chocolate is usually pretty messy, but when I make truffles, I cheat and I use plastic wrap. You can form them into a ball, and the heat from your hand softens the chocolate just enough to make it easy to shape. First I have nuts. These are just crushed up toasted sesame almonds. The next flavor is cocoa nibs. These are just raw chocolate that gives a nice crunch. These are the traditional truffles rolled in cocoa powder. If you don't have cocoa powder, you can use hot chocolate mix for an easy substitute. I just roll the truffles in my hands real quick to warm up a little layer on the outside so everything sticks a little bit better. Last, and my personal favorite, is raspberry powder. These are a classic pairing that always work well together. Thanks for watching my video on how to make delicious chocolate truffles at home. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like my video. Let's connect on Instagram at A Chef and a Spoon. See you next time!